Light energy fills your body. Guided meditation, day 18. Welcome. Please sit comfortably. Let go of all the thoughts and worries of the day. Relax your body from head to toe. Put your hands on your knees and turn your palms to the heavens. Close your eyes and follow me. Take a deep breath and deep exhale. Direct your attention to the crown of your head. This is the Sahasrara chakra. Along with inhalation, we begin to feel a slight tingling in the crown of the head. This is the energy of the cosmos that brings us light. We let this light into our body. In the area of the head, in the area between the eyebrows, the third eye, this is the Ajna chakra. Then, the light fills the throat area, the Vishuddha chakra. Head and throat are filled with light. A feeling of light coolness. Then the light fills the chest, shoulders, arms. This is the Anahata chakra. A feeling of light and joy appears in the heart area. Light fills and warms all internal organs. A pleasant warmth spreads through the body. And begins to fill the abdominal area. This is the Manipura chakra. Light fills the abdomen. All the organs of the abdominal cavity are filled with light. Pleasant sensations appear in the abdomen. Joy and love fill the abdomen, and inner smile appears. Then heat begins to fill the lower abdomen. This is the Swadhisthana chakra. Light begins to spread over the pelvis, genitals, legs, knees, heels. Light fills the crotch. The Muladhara chakra begins to fill with light. The whole body is filled with light. Every chakra from Sahasrara to Muladhara is filled with the energy of light. Healing, renewal, and feeling happen to the body. Light heals and renews. Keep feeling. My dear friend, the energy of light is the most powerful energy in the world. Only love and light can heal us from darkness. Meditate on the light within you, and the light will show you the way. Light will always warm, cleanse, and restore. Remember, the universe loves you.